Impact window installation is essential for homeowners in Palmetto Bay seeking to enhance their property's safety and energy efficiency, especially with impact windows. Palmetto Bay designed for coastal protection. With the increasing demand for hurricane windows, Palmetto Bay residents are turning to custom impact windows to ensure maximum protection against storms. Impact window replacement in Palmetto Bay offers a variety of window style options to suit any home design. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows, including impact windows. Palmetto Bay installations. Palmetto Bay window installation services specialize in window glass installation and window sash replacement to restore your windows to their original condition. For those experiencing window condensation issues, Palmetto Bay offers effective window condensation solutions to prevent further damage. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort, especially when paired with impact windows. Palmetto Bay. Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Palmetto Bay window upgrade solutions include double-pane windows and window insulation to enhance energy efficiency. Hurricane windows are a must-have for residents in storm-prone areas like Palmetto Bay, and impact windows. Palmetto Bay provide added peace of mind. Palmetto Bay hurricane window installation provides peace of mind with storm protection windows that withstand high winds and flying debris. Storm window installation in Palmetto Bay ensures your home is prepared for any weather event. Window frame installation is an important aspect of maintaining your window's functionality and appearance, particularly for impact windows. Palmetto Bay homes. Palmetto Bay window maintenance services include window frame installation and window caulking to prevent drafts and leaks. Window sealing services in Palmetto Bay help improve energy efficiency and comfort by eliminating air leaks. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction, especially when used with impact windows. Palmetto Bay. Palmetto Bay window noise reduction services offer double-pane windows that significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Window noise reduction in Palmetto Bay is ideal for homes near busy streets or noisy areas. Window sealing services are essential for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing drafts in impact windows. Palmetto Bay installations. Palmetto Bay window sealing services provide expert window caulking and weatherproofing to keep your home comfortable year-round. Window weatherproofing in Palmetto Bay protects against the elements and enhances energy efficiency. Custom window solutions are available for homeowners looking to personalize their window design, including impact windows. Palmetto Bay options. Palmetto Bay offers a range of custom window solutions, including window tinting and window style options to match any aesthetic. Palmetto Bay window tinting services provide UV protection and privacy while enhancing your home's appearance. Window insulation is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing energy costs, particularly for impact windows. Palmetto Bay homes. Palmetto Bay window insulation services offer solutions like double-pane windows and window caulking to improve your home's energy efficiency. Window insulation in Palmetto Bay is an investment in comfort and savings. For top-notch impact window installation in Palmetto Bay, Impact Windows. Palmetto Bay services deliver unmatched protection and efficiency. Our residential window services in Palmetto Bay offer a wide range of solutions, including window glass replacement and energy-efficient windows. Whether you need hurricane windows or window frame installation, our team is equipped to handle all your window needs. We specialize in double-pane windows and provide comprehensive window sealing services to ensure maximum efficiency and protection. Upgrade your home with custom window solutions in Palmetto Bay, including durable impact windows. Palmetto Bay. Our window insulation and window upgrade services are designed to enhance your home's comfort and energy efficiency. With storm protection windows and window maintenance services, you can rest assured that your home is safeguarded against the elements. Our window caulking and window hardware replacement services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Experience the benefits of window tinting and window noise reduction in Palmetto Bay alongside Impact Windows Palmetto Bay installations. Our window weatherproofing and window glass installation services are tailored to meet the unique needs of your home. Whether you require window sash replacement or window leak installation, our experts are here to help. We also offer window screen installation and window condensation solutions to keep your home comfortable and secure. Enhance your home's security with window UV protection and window security features in Palmetto Bay, especially when paired with Impact Windows Palmetto Bay. Our window style options allow you to customize your windows to match your home's aesthetic. From Impact Window Replacement in Palmetto Bay to residential impact windows, we provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. Trust our Palmetto Bay window installation services for reliable and efficient results. For Palmetto Bay Hurricane window installation, our team offers unparalleled expertise with Impact Windows Palmetto Bay solutions. Our energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior protection. With custom Impact windows in Palmetto Bay, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Our window replacement services in Palmetto Bay, Florida, are second to none, ensuring your home remains safe and stylish. Discover the best Palmetto Bay window upgrade solutions featuring Impact Windows Palmetto Bay installed by experts. Our storm window installation in Palmetto Bay provides added protection against severe weather. With Palmetto Bay window maintenance services, your windows will remain in excellent condition year-round. Our window sealing services in Palmetto Bay ensure that your home is energy efficient and comfortable. Choose Palmetto Bay window tinting services to complement Impact Windows Palmetto Bay for enhanced privacy and reduced glare. Our window noise reduction solutions in Palmetto Bay create a peaceful home environment. With Palmetto Bay window weatherproofing, your home is protected from harsh weather conditions. Our window glass installation services in Palmetto Bay are prompt and reliable, ensuring your windows are always in top shape. For Palmetto Bay window sash replacement, trust our experienced team specializing in Impact Windows Palmetto Bay systems. Our window leak installation services in Palmetto Bay address any issues quickly and efficiently. With Palmetto Bay window screen installation, you can enjoy fresh air without the hassle of insects. Our window condensation solutions in Palmetto Bay keep your windows clear and functional.